Hello there, everyone. My name is Maya, and we are going to be playing Cats and Soup. Now, this is going to be probably 10 minutes or less, mostly in part because the fishing hasn't restocked. So, I'm waiting for that to happen, and yeah, so if you guys want, I'm going to be playing a ton of this game. Like a ton. I might do Minecraft too, but it's gonna be complex. So I changed the channel. This is my third channel iteration because it's so hard to get used to a name. But my persona currently is a Scout or Skunk Coyote hybrid, similar to Zillion Ross, which, by the way, is a pretty cool dude if you guys want my honesty. So yeah, Maya Scout, yeah. That's the channel name. It's been upgraded, and you probably will see the new icon, which looks pretty cool. But first I want to say, the fish, we've got 3 types of fish. I don't actually remember how many exist in the game. How many exist anyway? There's a list of fish and things. In the next game I'm probably gonna have to have the face cam because you guys know who it is. Yeah, there are quite a few fishies I need to catch. Holy mackerel, look at all this stuff we've been doing. We are in business, officially. Oh, the genie jars, right? But I'm not gonna do that on camera. And there's very good reason why I'm not gonna do that on camera. It is because it requires an advert. Do you guys really want me to use an advertisement in a video? Come on now. 20C, that's a very big amount of money. And I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. This is just cool, guys. If you guys haven't heard of Cats and Soup, it is an indie game that is part cooking, part idle. But yeah, you can fish, you can, there's different recipes that can be unlocked the more you build. But I've got a whole setup. I've got a whole entire, basically, forest. Look, I've even expanded it a couple times to give me more room to work. But other than that, I mean, yeah, so what is... We are actually saving up for the searchlight, which is quite expensive actually. So we need to up our game here in the next episode or two. We just got a gift from the kitty. Ooh. Early, since the last time you saw my face, I did get my new glasses today, so I can actually see what I'm doing. Story is I'm actually legally blind in one eye, which is going to get worse without treatment, and LASIK's expensive, so I'm not buying LASIK. Anyway, so yeah, after this video, I'm probably gonna go to bed after I get this uploading, cause I'm tired, you know. I just wanted to say thank you to all of my remaining subscribers, and if any, I really wish things could be easier on me. Oh, by the way, I have my phone volume turned down because the initial recording before the short version got messed up. Like, bad messed up, because my phone volume was so high. I thought, you know, just, I don't know. But we're gonna be playing Cats and Soup on the channel. And I'm hoping that we can get a damn bingo. You know? Gold ticket. We need to get that bingo, guys. Come on. Oh, oh my god. The bingo got missed. We missed a dumbass. Wow. That was a hit or miss. We've got so many pictures of flipping Cats and Soup stuff. It's crazy. I can post some of my social media in the description possibly, but I don't think it's worth it at the moment to share my social media, not social. Haha. Yeah, so yeah. Although I do need help getting the channel bigger. Okay, we're just not gonna wait. We're just gonna wait for that. But the forest has officially been expanded, our area where we do our work. So, ooh, thank you for giving me money for your food. We got our food ranked up to the billions, guys. Straight up to the billions. I'll just give you an idea. Look at that. They are going up in total volume of income, but it's not enough. But fishing is gonna be so much fun. Cause I wonder if we can catch a lot of fish. And I don't know how much the actual storage for fish holds, which is gonna be fun to find out. Let's take your picture. Share you. And probably you guys should follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna change a few settings on my Twitter to suit the channel. We're just hanging out, I guess. I could go live, but going live isn't worth it in this scenario. We've got a bunch of stuff here. Watch, it's just gonna come back to haunt me. I need that bingo. I really do need that bingo. This is a pretty cool build, though. We've already got the observatory, which is going to be very useful, because I think it's used for upgrading or resummoning cats, one of the two. Yeah, the grind could go on for an hour, but my phone only has limited storage. "41 minutes and 52 seconds. It's a lot of fish. Mainly minnows and sardines. Ugh, sardines are gross in real life. Who puts anchovies on pizza? I don't know, idiots. Let's see. Look, we can get a ton of money. Yeah, but I think that's all we're really gonna do. This series, we're gonna try and get all the buildings. Which, oh, there's a fly in my room. God, no wonder I smell like BO. Anyway, sorry about this text, guys. Dearest apology. Let's upgrade all of these. Look at that, 158. Oh my god. It's just gonna keep spitting stuff out constantly, isn't it? So we need more, like, good stuff, you know? Carrot stew, nice. Sorry, there's a fly in my room. I might have to cut the video short to deal with this. Well, we eat fly paper. They get attracted to it and then they die. Anyway, let me think about this. Never had this many pictures of a game, except Cluster Duck. I played Cluster Duck for a while. I still have it. I play it sometimes. But this is more fun than Cluster Duck, you know, because it's all just different. Look how fast our soup goes. And our juice. So we just got another juice. And another soup. Oh god. And then there's zits all over my neck and face, so that's them. We are pretty much done with this video. I mean, after a few more minutes, we're gonna be done. I think we're right to 13 minutes at most. But yeah, we're gonna be fishing in the next video either way. Yeah, there's not much really left to display. But if you guys want to see the whole forest, this is the whole forest. Anyway, thank you all for watching. My name is Maya, and I will see you all in the next video for either Cats and Soup or Minecraft. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.